Hey girls, it's ARMANIB. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I dyed my natural hair ginger all by myself with no professional help. I'm going to jump right into this video because no one likes a long boring explanation. The hair dye that I use is the L'Oreal High Color Browns for dark hair only, and I use the shade H5, which is a soft auburn. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 4. Moving on, now that my hair is sectioned into 4, I'm going to begin mixing the dye. The developer that I used was the L'Oreal Volume 40 because I believed that developer was going to lift my hair the most, and it did. First things first, make sure you apply gloves. This mix is super strong and it can burn your skin and it does itch. Read the directions on the back of the box. I always read the directions. I don't think you need me to tell you that. Next, I'm gonna take my dye mixing bowl and my hairbrush, and I'm gonna mix equal amounts of dye and developer. For each of my sections, I bought a box of hair dye because I felt like this was gonna give my hair the most vibrant color, and it absolutely did. I suggest doing this because my hair came out the exact way I wanted it to on the first try. So next I'm gonna go ahead and mix this all up. I did take my time doing that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward. So as I put for you to read, to begin, I'm gonna start by dividing my first section into 3 subsections. And then I'm just gonna begin applying the dye thoroughly through my hair. And I did also use a fine tooth comb to make sure I did not miss any strands. Now, honestly, this is all pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna work through this section and then finish the sections all throughout my head the same exact way. If you made it this far in the video, comment down below spice. So I just want to turn around and show you guys how I used 1 box of dye for this entire section, and my hair is coated in hair dye. I did not miss one spot from my roots to my ends. I'm not gonna lie, I would suggest wearing a mask while you're applying this dye to your hair because it was really strong. I had the doors open for the bathroom, but that stuff was killing me. Okay, so this part is funny, but I'm actually about to dye my eyebrows. Bruh. I'm pretty sure there's a more proper way to do this, but baby, I just slapped that dye on my brows. I didn't use any Vaseline or nothing. I just slapped that dye on my brows and then I cleaned it up with a little bit of tissue paper. My eyebrows were actually a little bit dry after doing that, so I would suggest putting Vaseline or something on your skin. I don't know what compelled me to do that, but I did. And it even got on my lashes, like, look at that, but it worked. I want y'all to know that while I was sitting there, all I was really thinking is, damn, this shit is really itching, like it's burning. I don't know what I was smiling for, but yeah, here's me taking some selfies and sending it to my friends because nobody thought that I was actually gonna dye my hair. But next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a plastic cap for 20 minutes and let this dye sit. And then I'll be back to show you guys how my hair looked right before I rinsed it out. Did y'all hear that? My voice got raspy out of nowhere. Like, this pollen is killing me. Springtime is kicking me in the butt. So this is me like 5 minutes before I rinsed the dye out, looking like a piece of crimson. But I went ahead and I rinsed my hair with cool water and a color safe shampoo. So this is me with my hair fully rinsed out and moisturized. If you want to see how I did my wash and go, give me like 500 likes or something. Like, y'all don't be running my likes up enough for me. So 500 likes for a part 2, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video.